Once upon a time, in a small and humble town, there lived a simple family of four: Lucas, his wife Jennifer, and their two daughters Kylie and Faith. They lived a modest but happy life. However, their peace was disrupted when Lucas, a hardworking man employed in a large company, struggled to provide enough for his family. His boss, a greedy and cruel man who owned one of the biggest companies in town, paid his employees unfairly and treated them poorly. One evening, Lucas and Jennifer had a heated argument about their financial struggles. The two daughters, confused and hurt, couldn't understand why their parents were fighting. The following day, Lucas went to work to collect his compensation unbeknown to him. Kylie and Faith secretly followed him, hiding in a room near his boss' office. From their hiding spot, they saw their father confront his boss, demanding fair compensation for his hard work. The boss refused and violently attacked Lucas, punching and humiliating him. The boss refused and violently attacked Lucas, punching and humiliating him. Unable to endure the mistreatment any longer, Lucas resigned. The two girls, frightened and heartbroken, returned home and ahead of their father. That evening, Lucas came home with a small box of fried chicken for his daughters, smiling despite his bruises and resignation. However, when Jennifer learned of his decision to quit, she was furious, feeling that Lucas had failed the family. Jennifer decided to leave him and file an annulment. The family was torn apart. Kylie, loyal to her father, chose to stay with him, while Faith, tempted by the promise of the better life, went with their mother. Years passed and Jennifer remarried a wealthy man who turned out to be Lucas' former boss, the very person who had mistreated him. Faith enjoyed a life of luxury with her stepfather, while Kylie and Lucas faced hardship but remained close and happy. Determined to give Kylie a better future, Lucas decided to start his own business. He borrowed money from his mother to fund a proposal for a new trading company.
On the day of proposal, Lucas promised Kylie that if he succeeded, he would buy her favorite fried chicken. While rushing to catch a bus, Lucas was hit by a car. Though he only suffered minor external injuries, he was unaware of a more serious internal injury. Determined not to let the accident stop him, Lucas delivered a compelling proposal to the company board, which was approved. Overjoyed, Lucas called Kylie to share the good news and stopped to buy chicken for her on his way home. Tragically, Lucas collapsed on the bus due to his injuries. He was rushed to the hospital but did not survive.
Kylie was devastated by her father's death but remained inspired by his love, resilience, and sacrifice. She vowed to honor his legacy. Years later, Kylie grew up and applied for a job at the same company where her father's proposal has been accepted. She had no ideas that the company's logo, a girl on a swing with a sun beneath, was inspired by her father's story.
At the company event, Kylie encountered Faith, who worked there as well but in a lower position, thanks to their stepfather's influence. Faith looked down on Kylie, boasting about her luxurious life. But Kylie stood firm, knowing her choice to stay with their father was right. During the event, The CEO shared the story behind the company's logo. When Lucas passed the proposal of this company, he suddenly got an idea of our logo. He came out showing us a picture of her daughter on a swing with a big smile. Her daughter jumped on that swing and got her knees hurt. She asked Lucas, her father, to pour a sand on it. Her father asked why. Her daughter answered, so that if I fall again, my knees won't be hurt, explaining that it represented a father's love and sacrifice for his daughter. Hearing this, Kylie realized the logo symbolizes her and her father. She revealed her connection to the story, moving the CEO and the attendees.
Meanwhile, Jennifer, who was also at the event, silently watched Kylie's success. She had lived a life of luxury with her wealthy husband, but felt empty and unloved. Seeing Kylie's happiness and achievements, Jennifer began to regret her decision, especially abandoning Lucas and Kylie.